What is up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we have a big day. It's probably going to be a big video or a long video. I don't know, we'll see what I can do with it. But yeah, in today's video we're hopefully going to be completing the short block so that in this coming week I can drop it back in the car and we can put everything together and get it started this week before Christmas, fingers crossed. So yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick update on what I've done so far, and then we're going to get right into it because we got a lot of things to do today. Okay, so here's the engine, and it's a little bit sideways right now. But basically, so far what I've done, I finally bolted down the exhaust manifold. Got that bolted on, got these covers on it. Then over here, got the engine mounts in. Yeah, wasn't that hard to figure out because they only fit one way. So got the engine mounts in. This isn't on all the way. I'm gonna have to look up specs for these plugs because I don't want this to leak like whatsoever. So I'm just gonna make sure that I'm doing this right, and then we'll tighten this down. But yeah, this is fit on here. The seal's on, new one here. Got these in here. Torque down the caps, put in the new bolts that we got for it. So that's all done. We got the oil pump on, and all of the idler, gears, pulleys, whatever. These things that go zoom zoom, they're on here now. The only thing is this one's not on. There's one that goes right here, that one right there. That's not on because for some reason the bolt doesn't want to go all the way in, and so it's not tightening it all the way. But yeah, so that's on. Intake manifold is fitted on, but it's not bolted down yet. I still need to figure out where all the connections and hoses and everything go, which we'll be doing in today's episode. So yes, this is what I have done so far, and in today's episode I think what we're going to start off with is getting this valve cover bolted on, and we can put the spark plugs in there and the coils in, and then push these seals in all the way, and then we'll move on to that one down there. And I went to Lowe's this morning and I picked up a bolt extractor kit. So we got the drill bits there and then the extractor thingy mabobs there. And so we are going to try and extract the bolt that is stuck down there. And yes, so those are the plans for today. And that's about it. So let's stop wasting time and get right into it.
Go with lefty. All yours. Le di vuelta.
There we go.
Sweet.
Alright guys, so as you saw, we got the bolts out thanks to my dad. We ended up not even having to drill it out. We just used a drill, and the thing backed itself out far enough that I could use it with my hand to unscrew it. So now that that's out, that means that we can cap the cam caps and torque them, and then we can put the valve covers on and move on from there. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so we got a 10mm socket. Let's see. Now I'm gonna need the ratchet. Alright, so we're gonna start with these first. Cause yeah, I have all of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm taking this corner one out first. Boom, brand new. Don't even have to worry about none. Old one, new one. Boom. New one, compare the difference. Pretty cool. Alright, next we got our inch-pound torque wrench. And we're going to torque these down, and I'll show you the sequence in a second. So we got a 1/4 inch extension with a 10mm socket on there. Put that on. Alright, so this should be set at about 108 inch-pounds. Alright, so once this is set to 108 inch-pounds, which is about 9 or 10 foot-pounds, the sequence is going to be so there's 3 that we're going to be doing, right? So we start with the middle one, and we start with the intake side, so it's going to be A, B, and then we move to the outer one, facing out, C, D, and then E, F. And you torque those down, and you do the same with the bottom ones. Same procedure. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick.
What we do here is go back.
Beautiful. Woo! Just like that, boom, done. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the valve cover and put all the gaskets on it, the PCV gaskets, the valve cover gaskets, put all the gaskets on it, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on the car. So yeah, here she is. I already have the gaskets on the other one. I can show you if you want to see that. Boom, gaskets on there. So we're about to do that with this one. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so here she is. And let me pull out the Felpro gaskets. That's the PCV gasket, valve cover gasket, and then the 2 whatever gaskets. And for some reason I'm missing my grommets for the screws, but okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on here. Okay, valve cover's on, and then it's 3 10mm bolts to get the PCV thing off. Okay. Here it is. The old one gasket, very hard and scrumptious, and the inside's kind of dirty. So I'm gonna get a rag and clean that off real quick. Here's a black Permatex, whatever. Go ahead and I don't think I needed that much. I guess we're about to find out. Alright guys, what's up? So we got the valve cover on here, and I cleaned off these the screws a little bit, and I put the grommets on them. So we're just gonna go ahead and start bolting up this valve cover. Alright guys, check this out. This is coming along beautifully. We got the coils in, the spark plugs on this side are in. We still need to torque these down, but that's not a big deal. We got these seals partly in. I gotta get a cup and hammer them in all the way so they're even Steven. Oh my gosh. And then once I do that, we can probably put the gears on here and set timing so that we can put the timing belt on. And then we just gotta figure out this mess. Oh, we're doing so good, guys. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick lunch break or dinner break, whatever. I'll be right back. And we'll keep moving on. Yeah, so we got a lot done today. I'm actually super excited. Hopefully Monday I can button everything up. Cause yeah, honestly, once this intake manifold is all together, then I can set the timing and we can drop this bad boy back into the car and hopefully have it running pretty soon. So if you guys are enjoying the content, go ahead and like and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on this. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.